Today, we're exploring the world of dash cams, focusing on 3 top picks for families like ours: the REDTIGER, the ROVE R2-4K, and the WOLFBOX G840S. First on our list is the REDTIGER dash cam. Imagine capturing every giggle, every sing-along, and every unexpected detour in stunning 4K clarity. This dash cam doesn't just watch the road, it keeps an eye on our memories too. With its dual cameras, Wi-Fi, and GPS features, it's like having a co-pilot who's always on the lookout. Next, we zoom into the ROVE R2-4K dash cam. This compact marvel records our road stories in Ultra HD, ensuring that no detail goes unnoticed. Its size keeps our windshield clear, perfect for spotting those surprise roadside attractions. Plus, with its easy-to-use app, sharing our journey highlights is just a tap away. And then, there's the WOLFBOX G840S mirror dash cam. This isn't just a dash cam, it's a futuristic gadget that blends into our car's interior, doubling as a rear-view mirror. With its impressive video quality and parking assistance, it's like having a guardian angel who not only watches over our safety, but also guides us into those tight parking spots. The touchscreen is sleek, though it's best suited for families comfortable with tech. Choosing the right dash cam is like picking a new member of the family. Do we go with the all-seeing REDTIGER, the compact and clear ROVE, or the innovative WOLFBOX? Each has its unique strengths, designed to cater to different needs and preferences. It's all about what makes our journeys safer, more enjoyable, and absolutely unforgettable. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Don't forget to follow the links in the description to find the perfect dash cam for your family. For more tips and tricks on mastering this adventure called parenting, visit www.hackbeingaparent.com. Here's to safe travels and joyful memories with our loved ones. See you on the road.